Hi everyone, welcome my dear parents to the new era of education through Google Classroom. In this video, I am going to show the way of accessing the Google Classroom created for your ward by the respective class teachers. So for that, we have to first log in to the email ID provided by the school. For that, we have to log in to Gmail. So you can see we are going to type the gmail.com in the address bar. And here I'm going to use a new account of a student. So it will be rupika.raj at swargarani.school.com. So this is what the email ID provided from the school. So click on next. And we have the password set the same as all the students for the time being. So I'm just showing you the password. It is C capital letter HANGE. That is a word change. Then P capital letter PLS and 123. So this will be the same password for all the students for the time being. Parents, please don't change it and click on next. And you'll be getting a welcome screen like this. Welcome to your new account. And here are the instructions from the Google service people. Click on the accept button. So once we accept, we move into the inbox of our new email ID. So you can see the two mails came from Gmail team. That means the support team from Google have sent you the two mail. And you can see a third mail, which is sent by the class teacher of that particular child. That here the example is Sarah Julie. And you can see the class invitation of 5th A. So same like this, one invitation will be there for your child inbox. This is the particular example for Rupika Raj. She's a student of 5th A. So once you click on that mail, you'll be getting this particular Google Classroom window. In here you can see, hi Rupika, the particular teacher invited you to the class 5th A. So it is very clear that we have a join button over here. We click on join. So the moment we click on join, actually we are going inside the particular classroom 5th E created by the teacher. So we'll get the welcome screen like this. Google Classroom. Classroom helps classes communicate, save time and stay organized. And here is a welcome note for Rupika and click continue. And here is the pick your role. So we know you're the student right now. So I'm a student. Click on that. And now this is the classroom. So you can see it is 5th E and the class teacher is name is displayed over here. And right now we are under the stream. Please see the mouse pointer where I have kept. This is the stream. So stream is nothing but a notice board for the particular class. Like the teacher wanted to tell you something, the teachers will be posting all the details over here. So this is the first one. So you can see the teacher have posted a welcome to 5th A. I'm so excited to be your teacher this academic year. And the teacher have given a link for a Google image. The moment you click, it will be opening in another tab. So it is just a welcome note for all the students. And you go up, you can see another note from the teacher, and you can see a prayer and another Google image link. And the teacher have posted a new material on large numbers, and teacher have posted a new assignment also on assignment 1. So stream works like a notice board for a particular class. And here you can see class work. So we click on class work. Okay, these are the instructions given to you. So you can just click, got it. So, okay, you can over here, you can see large numbers and an assignment given by the teacher. So we can just click here also and here also. So this one you click, you will get the recapitalization of the last chapter. You just click here and it will open in a new tab, and the teacher have given a review exercise for you. Okay, this is the privacy setting. It will come. You just click on I understand. And these are the review questions. once you have gone through this, we can just close this tab. And here is an assignment. I'm back again to the classroom. Classwork, and you can see the assignment. So view assignment, it opens in another tab. So here the teacher have asked you some few questions. So this is the way of giving assignments to you. So these are the some primary instructions for parents to follow about the Google Classroom. The coming instructions will be given to you later. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this is very clear how to step into a new classroom for the first time. This is Rekha L. Mohan from Computer Department, Swargrani School. I'm thanking on behalf of all the faculty for all the parents to help and support us to work with you.